Once you set your x to 0 and your y to 0, what you can do is this. You can lift up your center drill. Lift up your center drill all the way to when the tip here passes the top edge. Okay? Then you move your y to 0. Alright, your y to 0. And as you move up your workpiece, okay, don't do this too high. You'll see that the corner, the tip of your center drill is at the corner of your workpiece. And that's your 0, 0. Okay? That's this 0 point here. Can you see 0 point here? Yeah, it's okay lah, 0.00. This point over here. Okay? Now what we're going to do is that there is this table that I did it out for you, and it is based on the drawing. It's based on the drawing. So as a machinist, and you're going to drill these holes, right? You're going to drill these holes. I've mounted my workpiece like that. I'm taking my Y position from here, and I'm going in by +9. Okay, because over here you're moving the table in is +9, right? And then your X is -21. Okay, -21. Then you drill your first hole. Then you drill your second hole. Sorry, I didn't label. This is hole number 1, hole number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you drill hole number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay, understand so far? So if you cannot remember the numbers, take a picture of this so that when you are back at your workbench, you can do it. So what is the first hole that I'm going to drill? Alright, I'm going to bring this up a bit. What's the first hole that I'm going to drill? X minus 21. So I go in by -21. Right? -20 whoops. 21. My X is in -21, and then my Y is in -9. Sorry, +9. Okay, and this will be my first hole. Okay, this will be my first hole. And the way I'm going to drill now, the way to drill the hole, right? You actually need to make sure that this is loosened up. Okay, so please ensure that this is loosened up. And then after that, okay, previously it was locked, you need to loosen it up. Right? If you can't lock it, you need to lift up the handle, then you change the position. Okay, so you can lock, right? So now I'm unlocking it. Make sure it's unlocked so that I can drill. Now when you drill, okay, you may not notice this, but your force is at an unsupported region. Okay, it's like a little cantilever. If you were to plunge your drill too hard, you could possibly dislodge your workpiece. Possibly. Although we use a hydraulic vice, chances are it's very little. But just be careful and use moderate force when you are drilling. How deep will we drill? We'll drill until we are 1/3 the slope. Okay? After I drill the first hole, I'll let you see how deep we have to drill for that. Okay? So I'm going to turn on. The drill speed is 1,200 RPM.
Wait, does the speed affect anything?
Does the speed affect anything? Yes. Yeah, this is the recommended speed for center drill. Okay? Then you start drilling. Okay? The drilling process is a packing process. Packing, that means it goes like that. Right? Then you go in gently, and then you come out. Right? Not too much force. Right? This is a center drill.
You need to brush the chips.
No, you don't need to brush your chips away. So once you are 1/3 the slope, okay, if you need to brush any chips away, you stop the machine first, then you brush. You don't brush when the machine is spinning. Do you understand?
Yeah.
because if not the brush will get caught and then it will fly and fling. So 1/3 the hole is an approximate. Okay, this is about 1/3 the hole, and you will see a slight chamfer on the hole. Very slight chamfer, no need to be very deep. A chamfer is like a slope corner at the circumference of the hole. Very slight. Okay. Now after you've done this, then the next hole is at plus 51. Sorry, my Y is plus 51. So I have to go over to this side and I go to plus 51. Whoops. Need help? I'm good. Okay, plus 51. Then you go in and you drill lightly again. Okay? So you do this and you move down along the way until you finish drilling 5 holes.
Okay.
You got what I mean? And how deep to drill? 1/3 the slope. Such that you got a slight chamfer. This slight chamfer will help guide your drill bit to sit securely and then drill through. Okay? Ken, thank you very much.